Welcome to my new tutorial. It's a boho half updo which has been requested. It's really simple, really easy. Hope you enjoy it. So I've just put 2 rows of extensions in just to add a little bit of length and volume. Using the Stylr.Pro bristle brush. Absolutely superb product for smoothing over, detangling. I'd highly recommend. And now I'm going to be using the long one, which can also be used as a backcombing brush. Absolutely brilliant for sectioning also. Bought the set, I would recommend investing in it. So you're just taking a nice section from the top, from the crown area. Want it to be a decent size amount. And then just pop an elastic in. Create a little hole. So you're doing a topsy-turvy, up and over. So here, you want to be taking your sections across, not down. You don't want it to be baggy, so you want to take your sections across, as I've just shown, directly across the head, straight. So then, just got a little bit. Right, so what you're doing is, you get in that hole and you're twisting it over and on itself. Twist it to the left and then pull the section of hair through that. So you put your fingers down through the hole to bring the hair up through the hole. I hope that makes sense. You'll be able to see. So the same hole, put your fingers down through, grab the piece of hair and just pull it through. It's just that simple. And start pulling out now to create that texture on top. And as we're using elastics all the way through, it's going to stay there. There's plenty of product in this doll already, so I don't have to use anything. If it was a client, I would be using products as I go, but the doll doesn't need it. Right, so you leave, I'm just pulling it out a little bit more, just as much or as little as you want really. Pull on those little sections of the topsy tail to expand. Then you take the top part, leave the bottom pony, just leave that, don't touch it. At the top part, put another elastic in. You're going to create another topsy tail, up and over. And you get a slice from the side, again going straight across. You won't get any bagginess if you do that. Leave out some face framing pieces. You see how I twisted it there? You twist the section over and then pull the hair through that hole. Always pointing your fingers down. Remember to point your fingers down through the hole so your hair is coming up and out through it. And if you watch again, you'll see same hole, fingers down, pull the hair up and through. And then you leave the bottom pony again. Just push through the top bit and pop another elastic in. Doing the same process all the way down. So you're creating another little topsy tail. So you're going up and over. Make sure you're leaving out some nice face framing pieces. Try and take the same size sections all the way down. Nice chunky sections. So you twist the topsy tail, as you've seen there, twist it over on itself. I twist it from left to right. And then take your section of hair from the left, your fingers down through the hole, pull it through, and then the same on the other side. Smooth it through, put your fingers down through the hole, and then pull the hair through, and then you can start to pull out on those pieces. can really expand it as much or as little as you like. Just have a play around, see what you like best really. Constantly check that everything's symmetrical, check from all angles. Pop another elastic in, we're just doing the same all the way down. And then topsy tail. Section from the left, a nice chunky section again, push through, and then you twist the section over on itself, or twist it over from left to right. Keep your fingers down through that hole and grab the piece of hair with your fingers and pull it through. You're always pulling up from underneath through, otherwise you'll lose the detail. And just do the same on the other side using the same hole, fingers down, grab the hair and pull it through. And then just pinch and pull on the sections to make it as full as you can. This has definitely been helped by the fact that I've put extensions in the mannequin. Just go with your eye really, just checking that everything's, nice and neat. Expand it as much as you can, make sure it's all, pulled out as much as you want or as little as you want. Such a versatile style, you can do as much or as little as you want really with it. So just do another one, another topsy tail, flip it over. Take another section of hair. I always clip them away, just so I've got the section there ready for myself, and I've twisted over, as you've seen, twist the section from left to right. Put your fingers through and grab the hair and pull it through. And then just pinch and pull to expand each piece as you go. It's just the same process all the way down. Doing the same again. Always keep smoothing the hair down. Keeps it nice and neat. Just expand it as much as you can. It will look really effective if you get, as much volume in there as possible. And just keep pinching and pulling the texture through the top if you don't want any more. It's very secure. As you've seen, all those elastics will keep it in place, it's not going anywhere. Then I use my Pronged One by Stylr.Pro. Just go through and smooth everything down. And it's just checking now that everything's as you want it to be. Add a little bit of backcombing underneath and then smooth over. That will help to keep side sections in place. Obviously, if this was a client, I would be using products to help me with this, but as I'm only using a mannequin, I'm not using any more products. The doll has got a lot of products in the hair, but if you do that backcombing just underneath and then comb out, it will help to keep the side sections where you want them to be. And just check on top, and then I always backcomb the little bit at the end of the ponytail that's left out, backcomb it and smooth over, and it gives you a nice fullness at the bottom, so you're not left with a little that's taily bit really, so it's nice and full all the way through and it matches the style. And there you have it, boho pony. How easy is that? Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave me a comment. Thank you.